Hello guys, and today I will show you how to connect your Sonos Roam to your Android phone. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, we need to take our phone and make sure the Bluetooth is turned on. Just like this. Then we are taking the speaker and we need to find this little button right here and hold it for a few seconds. As you can see, this little white light here means the speaker is turned on, but it's not ready to pair. So let's hold this little button for a little bit more. Just like this, and you can see this blinking blue light right here. That means the speaker is finally ready to pair. Let's find it. Here it is, the Sonos Roam. We just click on it, and then we press pair. And that's it! Your speaker is connected to your phone and you can enjoy your favorite music. Thank you for watching.